Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to generate replies for Google Business Profile reviews using Google Gemini and notify team on Slack. So I'm running a apparel store and now I have added my store on Google Business Profile. Now through Google Business Profile, I'm receiving a lot of reviews for my store, and now what I want to do is I want to automatically reply to all the reviews that I'm receiving for my business on Google Business Profile. So here for generating the reply for my business reviews, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Google Gemini, and after generating that reply, I'm going to automatically create that reply for that review in Google Business Profile. And as I'm going to create that reply, I'm going to notify my team on Slack by sending all the detail of the reply or the review to my team. So here for my objective, I need to build a connection between Google Business Profile, Google Gemini and Slack. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new review posted on my Google Business Profile, then automatically I'm going to first generate the reply by using Google Gemini, and after generating that reply, I'm going to create that reply in Google Business Profile, and after creating that reply, I'm going to notify my team on Slack. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can generate replies for Google Business Profile reviews using Google Gemini and notify team on Slack. So suppose here I'm running a apparel store and I'm receiving a lot of reviews for my business through Google Business Profile. But managing reviews on Google Business Profile is essential for maintaining my brand reputation, but manually responding to each and every review, both positive and negative, can be overwhelming, and it is a very time-consuming task. So automating this process can save time while ensuring that each customer can receive a thoughtful reply. And by using Google Gemini, I can automatically generate personalized responses based on the review content. And additionally with Pabbly Connect, I can notify my team on Slack whenever a new review is posted, and I will keep them in loop for the further actions if necessary. So here, by simply using Pabbly Connect, I can build an automation between Google Business Profile, Google Gemini and Slack in such a way that whenever I will receive a new review for my apparel store on Google Business Profile, then automatically by using Google Gemini, I will first generate the reply, which will be a personalized reply based on the review that I've received for my business on Google Business Profile, and automatically I will notify my team on Slack for that review. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a connection between these three applications without any coding and programming skills, just by using Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account or we are just an existing user, then we can just click on this sign in button and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to generate replies for Google Business Profile reviews using Google Gemini and notify team on Slack. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow, and here in this window I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow, we need to first set up our trigger, and here we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to first search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Google Business Profile. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Google Business Profile here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to select this trigger event of new reviews. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now I have to click on sign in with Google. So I'm going to click here. And now here I need to click on continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And now what I need to do is I need to first select my account and the location name. So here I only have one account, that is of Parampara, in my Google Business Profile account. So I have selected that, and now I have to select my location name. So here I'm going to select my location name for my business of apparel store, and that is named as Parampara. So I have selected that. And now what I need to do is I need to take you to my Google Business Profile. Now here I have this apparel store that is named as Parampara, and now what I need to do is I need to create a new review for my apparel store in Google Business Profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the store in a customer account, and here with my customer account what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new review for my apparel store. So for that I need to scroll down and I need to click on this button of write a review. So I'm going to click here. And now I need to first give a rating. So I'm going to give 5-star rating here. And now I have to type my review or the comment. So here my review will be, I had a fantastic experience shopping at your store. The quality of the clothing is top notch and the designs are both trendy and comfortable. The staff were incredibly helpful and the entire shopping process was smooth. Highly recommend for anyone looking for stylish and high quality apparel. So here this is going to be my review or the comment for my business, and now I'm going to click on post. And I have successfully posted this review on my Google Business Profile for my apparel store. Now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my review that I have just created for my apparel store in Google Business Profile. And in this, I have my star rating that is 5-star. I have the reviewer name that is Anshul Sahu. Also, I have the comment that my reviewer has created. So this is my review that says, I had a fantastic experience shopping at your store. The quality of clothing is top notch and the designs are both trendy and comfortable. The staff were incredibly helpful and the entire shopping process was smooth. Highly recommend for anyone looking for stylish, high quality apparel. So here this was my review that I've created as a customer on Google Business Profile for my apparel store, and I have received the response of that review here in Pabbly Connect. But if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry, because this is a polling based response, and within the next 8 hours, you're going to receive this response from Google Business Profile to Pabbly Connect. So this 8 hours are the polling time of Google Business Profile, and if you want to reduce this polling time, then what you need to do is you need to contact support team of Pabbly Connect. And as you are going to contact the support team, you can reduce this polling time. Now here what is going to happen is that in every 8 hours, Google Business Profile is going to process the data of all the new reviews that we are going to receive for our business in Google Business Profile, and automatically in the next 8 hours, it is going to send the data of those reviews to Pabbly Connect. So I have received this response here, and now what I need to do is that as I have received the response of the review that I have received for my apparel store, I need to automatically generate the reply by using Google Gemini. And as I'm going to generate that reply, then automatically I want to create this reply and I want to notify my team on Slack for this particular review. So first I'm going to generate the reply for this review, and for that I need to set up my actions tab. And here my action application is going to be Google Gemini. So I'm going to search for that. And I'm going to select this Google AI Studio Gemini. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and generate content will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Google Gemini with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now I need to first give my API key. So here for connecting Google Gemini with Pabbly Connect, I need an API key, and for generating this API key, what I need to do is I need to first log into my Google AI Studio, where I will find the option of Get API Key, and in Get API Key section, I can create a new API key that I can use for connecting Google Gemini with Pabbly Connect. So for this, let me take you to Google AI Studio, and here I need to go to Get API Key section. Now here in Get API Key section, I need to create a new API key, so I'm going to click on this Create API Key button. And I need to first select my project. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to select my first project as my project. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Create API Key in Existing Project button. And here successfully I've generated this API key. So I'm going to copy this I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that API key here in this tab of API key. Now I've filled the API key, so I'm going to click on save. And here I've connected Google Gemini with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first give my text, and here this text is going to work as my prompt. And by using my text or my prompt, I'm going to generate the reply for the reviews that I'm going to receive for my apparel store in Google Business Profile. So here my text will be, I'm giving you the review details that I have received from my customer on Google Business Profile, and I want you to generate the reply for that review for my apparel store business. Only generate the reply in the response. I don't want any special details or any extra text, as I will directly use that reply to post on my Google Business Profile. Only give me the content of my reply in the response. Now here in this text, I'm also going to add the detail like the review, rating and the reviewer name. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my response from my previous tab of Google Business Profile, and from that response I'm going to use the detail like my review, rating and the reviewer name, and I'm going to map those details here in this prompt or this text. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here, I will give a space, I will open the response of Google Business Profile, and here this is my review or the comment, so I'm going to map this. Similarly I'm going to map the rating, so I need to click here, I will give a space, I will open the response of Google Business Profile, and here this is my star rating, so I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to give the reviewer name, so I'm going to click here, I will open the response of Google Business Profile, and here this is my reviewer name, so I'm going to map this. And now I have filled all the required detail in my text. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my model, so I'm going to open this tab, and here you will find all the models that you can use in Google Gemini, and here I can select any model that I want to use here for generating the reply for my review. So here I'm going to select this model of Gemini Pro, so I'm going to select this. And now I have to select my method that is going to be generate content. Now I have filled all the required details, so I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Get button. And here we can see I have generated this content for the review that I've received on my Google Business Profile. And here by using Google Gemini, I have generated the reply. So my reply is, Dear Anshul Sahu, this was the name of my reviewer. Thank you so much for your glowing review. We are thrilled to know that you had such a fantastic experience shopping at our store. Providing top-notch quality, stylish design and exceptional customer service is our utmost priority. We are glad our team could assist you in finding the perfect pieces. Your kind words are a testament to our unwavering commitment to delivering a memorable shopping experience. We appreciate your recommendation and look forward to welcome you back soon. So here this is my reply that I have generated by using Google Gemini, and now what I need to do is that as I have generated the reply for my review for my apparel store in Google Business Profile, now what I need to do is I need to create this reply in Google Business Profile for that particular review. So here for creating a reply, I need to add one more actions tab, and I'm going to use Google Business Profile again. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Google Business Profile here. Now I'm going to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and create reply will be my action event, so I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now I'm going to click on connect, and I have already created this connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to use this existing connection, and I need to click on save. Now I have to give my review name and my reply that I want to create as a reply for my review. So here I need to first give my review name, and I'm going to map that from my trigger response of Google Business Profile. So first I need to toggle on this map button. I need to click here, and I need to open this response of Google Business Profile, and here I need to map the review name. So here this is my review name, and in this review name I have all the required details that are needed for creating a reply for my review in Google Business Profile. So here I'm going to map this, and now I have to give my reply. So I'm going to click here, I will open this response of Google Gemini, and here this is my reply that I've generated for my review. So I'm going to map this, and now I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Get button, and here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new reply for my review that I've received for my apparel store in Google Business Profile. Now to check whether I've created a reply or not, let me take you to Google Business Profile. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on this button of View All Google Reviews. And here in all reviews, we can see I have received this new review from Anshul Sahu, and this was my review that my customer has created for my apparel store. And in this, we can see I have automatically created this reply for that review, and this is my reply that says, "Dear Anshul Sahu," so this was my customer name. "Thank you so much for your glowing review. We are thrilled to know that you had such a fantastic experience shopping at our store. Providing top-notch quality, stylish design, and exceptional customer service is our utmost priority. We are glad our team could assist you in finding the perfect pieces. Your kind words are the testament to our unwavering commitment to delivering a memorable shopping experience. We appreciate your recommendation and look forward to welcoming you back soon." So here this was my reply that I've generated by using Google Gemini, and I have automatically created that reply for the review that I've received for my apparel store in Google Business Profile. So here I have automatically created this reply for my review in Google Business Profile, and I have generated the reply by using Google Gemini, and I have successfully created this connection between Google Gemini and Google Business Profile. Now every time I'm going to receive a new review posted on my Google Business Profile for my apparel store, then automatically by using Google Gemini, I'm going to generate the reply for that review, and I'm going to post that back as a reply on that particular review for my customer. So here I have successfully created this reply. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And now I want to notify my team for this particular review. So I'm going to add my last actions tab. And I want to notify my team on Slack. So I'm going to search for that as my action application. I'm going to select Slack here. I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And send channel message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Slack with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And I'm going to click on Connect with Slack. Now for connecting Slack with Pabbly Connect, I need to first give my token type, and here I can either use user or bot as my token type. So I'm going to type user here, and this is going to be my token type. So I'm going to click on save. And now I have to scroll down and I need to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Slack with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And now for sending the channel message or for sending the notification message, I need to first select my channel. So for this, let me take you to Slack. And here on Slack, I'm going to use this channel of Google Business Profile Reviews. So in this channel, I'm going to send all the notification messages. And in this channel, I have all my team whom I want to notify about the new reviews. So let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And for selecting my channel, I need to open this tab. And here in this tab, I will find all the channels that I have in my Slack account. And here I'm going to search for my channel that is named as Google Business Profile Review. So I'm going to select that as my channel. And now I have to give my message that I want to send as a notification message for notifying my team about the new reviews or the replies that I'm going to create for my apparel store in Google Business Profile. So here my message will be, "We have received a new review on Google Business Profile for our business, and I have replied to our customer. Check the review details." So with this message, I'm going to add the detail like the review, reviewer name, rating, and the reply that I've created for the review. So I'm going to map all those details. So I need to click here. I will give a space. I'm going to open the response of Google Business Profile, and I'm going to first map the review. Similarly, I'm going to map the reviewer name, and I'm going to give the rating. And also I'm going to map the reply that I've generated by using Google Gemini. Now here I have mapped all the required details, and I have mapped all these details. So I have made all these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new response from Google Business Profile for the new review, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new review detail, and I'm going to notify the team for the new review, and I'm going to generate the reply for the new review by using Google Gemini. Now for every new review, I'm going to automatically generate the reply by using Google Gemini, and I'm going to create that reply in Google Business Profile, and I'm going to notify my team on Slack for that particular review. Now I've filled all the required details, so I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent a message, and this is my notification message for my review, and I have sent this message on my Slack channel. So to check this, let me take you to Slack. And here on Slack, we can see I have sent this message. And here this is my message that says, "We have received a new review on Google Business Profile for our business, and I have replied to our customer. Check the review details." So in this message, I have added the review that I have received for my apparel store on Google Business Profile. I have the reviewer name that is Anshul Sahu. I have the rating that is 5 star, and I have the reply that I've generated by using Google Gemini. So here we can see I have successfully sent this Slack notification for my review and the reply that I've created by using Google Gemini, and I have received the review on my Google Business Profile for my apparel store. So here I have successfully connected Google Business Profile, Google Gemini and Slack with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new response of a review from Google Business Profile, then automatically first by using Google Gemini, I'm going to generate the reply for that review, and I'm going to create that reply in Google Business Profile. And after creating that reply, I'm going to send a Slack notification message on my Slack channel to notify my team with all the review details. And here I've created this automation and I have successfully connected these three applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here I've connected Google Business Profile, Google Gemini and Slack to automatically generate replies for Google Business Profile reviews using Google Gemini and notify team on Slack. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I've set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Business Profile and my trigger event was new review. Then I've set up my actions tab, and my action application was Google Gemini, and here I've used Google Gemini for generating the content of my reply. After this I have again used Google Business Profile for creating the reply, and in the last I have used Slack for sending the channel message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.